Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can add a page border in Google Docs. Okay, for doing that, you have to go to the docs.google.com. Okay, okay, now we are in the Google Docs. Okay, we have to create a new blank document here. Click on blank. Okay, then this type of a document will open, blank document. Okay, so for adding a page border, you have to click on insert, then table. You have to select one cell. Okay, as you can see, the cell has been created. Now you can drag it in the down below. Then as you can see, the border has been showing. Okay, if you want to increase the border, you can increase it from here. Okay, then you can change the border color here as well. Okay, then if I want to make it blue, okay, from changing the border color, you can do it from here. As you can see, the border color has been changed. So if you want to change the width of the border, then you can do the result. So if I make it 3 pixel, as you can see, the border width has been changed. So this is how you can add a page border in Google Docs. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching.